from the forests of Northern California to the southern deserts. More than 400 illegal cannabis grow sites have been found inside California state parks.
Oftentimes these grows result in streams being diverted, dams being put up to divert water, hazardous materials like insecticides, pesticides, trees are sometimes cut down. So the true cost of this type of activity is high in terms of the impact it has on the natural resources for the state.
That's why the California State Parks Cannabis Watershed Protection Program was established. This team of specialists works together to address environmental damage from illegal cannabis cultivation and prevent future grows inside state parks.
It's pretty widespread. I mean, the thing about a watershed is it's all connected, right? It's all connected. So one disturbance in one particular area, one impact, it doesn't mean that it stops there, right? It mobilizes throughout the watershed.
So what we're doing is we're coming out here and we're cleaning up the old grow sites. So we're actually restoring the landscape to its original form.
In addition to cleaning up ecological damage, the program improves roads and trails. This helps to protect entire watersheds from unnatural erosion, promote the natural flow of water, and increase access for visitors and law enforcement.
The greater the accessibility, the more people will come to this area and prevent those illegal and illicit grows from reoccupying the area or starting again.
Archaeologists protect California's rich cultural history by surveying parks affected by illegal cannabis cultivation.
We are surveying for a fire road upgrade project. They're going to be replacing some culverts along the road to help out with drainage and protect the overall watershed.
When we're planning our restoration projects, we want to ensure that we're not negatively impacting our natural and cultural resources. To that end, our Cannabis Watershed Protection Program Cultural Group heads out into the field, identifies and records sensitive resources within the project area. We recognize that these sites are important and sacred to local Native American communities.
Our program is a truly multidisciplinary program that draws from all different programs within California State Parks, facilities, roads and trails, natural resources, cultural resources, law enforcement, interpretation.
The benefits provided by the Cannabis Watershed Protection Program go far beyond the cleanup of illegal grow sites. The team is working to protect and restore entire watersheds, ensuring our California state parks are safe and accessible for all.